Hello everybody, welcome to iExamB's Legal Bee. This is Amrita, your law faculty here at iExamB. Embrace the iExamB learning experience with us. If you're preparing for any competitive examinations after your law, you're at the right place. iExamB helps you in preparing for various competitive examinations like SEBI Grade A Legal Officer, IBPS SO Law Officer, IBPS RRB and various other examinations. इन सारे एग्जाम्स की डिटेल्स और इनके रिलेटेड ऑनलाइन कोर्सेज आप iExamB की वेबसाइट पे जाके देख सकते हैं. In case of any doubts and queries, you can reach out to us by writing us an email on hello@iexamb.com or call us on this number. Do write to us in the comment section as well and download our app for 50% faster job preparation. I have recently started a series helping the students to study various acts, various subjects. How to study Banking Regulation Act 1949 is what I am going to cover in this video. I will be covering the important sections which you can cover with the legislation. This is a very big legislation. इसमें काफी सारे important provisions हैं. So हम लोग एक एक करके देखेंगे कि कौन से important sections हैं. Section 1 generally सभी acts का important तो होता ही है because it talks about the applicability, the commencement dates and everything. Section 3 It is not applicable to cooperative societies. ये आपको पता होना चाहिए. 4. Power to suspend the operation of this act. And of course the definitions. Some limited definitions you can do which are really importantly thoroughly prepared with. इन सारे legislations में से sections जो definition based questions हम expect कर सकते हैं. Section 5 में definitions covered हैं. Approved securities, banking company, banking policy. Demand liabilities, gold, managing agent, managing director in relation to banking company, secured loan or advance, small scale industrial concerns, substantial interest. Section 6. Form of business in which the banking companies may engage. Use of words bank, banker, banking or banking company. Prohibition of trading, disposal of non-banking assets. Prohibition of employment of managing agents and restrictions on certain forms of employment. ये भी sections important है 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So ये आप देख रहे हैं ये सारी list आप इसको PPT को डाउनलोड करके रख सकते हैं अपने पास या फिर हमने इन वीडियोस के साथ section summaries attach किए हुए हैं. We have given you PDFs जिसमें हर act के related section wise summary दी हुई है. जैसे ये provision है इसके आगे एक और एक कॉलम में हमने आपको समरी दी है उस पर्टिकुलर प्रोविजन की. सो यू कैन टेक बेनिफिट ऑफ दैट एज वेल. सेक्शन 10B बैंकिंग कंपनी टू बी मैनेज्ड बाय होल टाइम चेयरमैन. 11 रिक्वायरमेंट एज टू मिनिमम पेड अप कैपिटल रिजर्व्स. 12 रेगुलेशन ऑफ पेड अप कैपिटल, सब्सक्राइब कैपिटल, ऑथराइज्ड कैपिटल, वोटिंग राइट्स ऑफ शेयर होल्डर्स. 13 restriction on the commission, brokerage, discount, etc. on the sale of share. 15 restrictions as to payment of dividend. 16 prohibition of common directors and voting rights of directors. 17 reserve fund. 18 cash reserves. 19 restriction on the nature of subsidiary companies. 20 restriction on the loans and advances. 21 power of Reserve Bank to control advances by the banking companies. 21A the rate of interest that is charged by banking companies. It should not be subject to scrutiny by the courts. 22 licensing of the banking companies. 23 restriction on the opening of new and transfer of existing place of business. 24 maintenance of percentage of assets. 25 assets in India. Return of unclaimed deposits. 26A establishment of depositor education awareness fund. 27 monthly returns and power to call for other returns and information. 29 accounts and balance sheet. 30 audit. 31 submission of returns. 35 inspection. 35A power of the RBI to give directions. ये important है काफी. 35AA power of the central government to authorize Reserve Bank for issuing directions to the banking companies to initiate insolvency resolution process. 35AB power of the Reserve Bank to issue directions in respect of stressed assets. Further powers and functions of Reserve Bank 36 में है काफ़ी इसमें अमेंडेड प्रोविजंस भी है, बट ये रिजर्व बैंक से रिलेटेड जो भी पावर्स फंक्शंस वाली प्रोविजंस है ये सारे हमको जिस्ट में पता होने चाहिए, सो ये सारे इंपॉर्टेंट हो जाते हैं यहाँ पे। Then the central government powers to acquire undertakings of the banking companies, 36AE. Constitution of the tribunal is also important, AH. Suspension of business, winding up by the High Court, court liquidator, 38A. 39 Reserve Bank to be the official liquidator. 44A procedure for amalgamation of the banking companies, ये भी काफी important है। 49B change of the name by the banking company, अगर चेंज नेम है तो क्या प्रोसीजर है। हाउ अ बैंकिंग कंपनी इज रेगुलेटेड, बेसिकली ये सारा कुछ इस पर्टिकुलर लॉ में है। 56 एक्ट टू अप्लाई टू कोऑपरेटिव सोसाइटीज बट इज सब्जेक्टेड टू व्हाट, सो दैट यू कैन गो थ्रू। सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट द इंपॉर्टेंट प्रोविजंस फ्रॉम बैंकिंग रेगुलेशन एक्ट। फॉर मोर सच काइंड ऑफ वीडियोज स्टे ट्यून्ड विद अस, prepare 50% faster with us at iExamB, download our app from the Google Play Store.